Hey guys, welcome to part 5 of my mini bike video project. The last video you saw, I took it apart and started to get ready to powder coat. The frame had some surface rust on it from sitting, and I've been pretty much riding it around, kind of having fun with it. Now it's time to get it apart and get some color on it. I also work on the wheels, strip the chrome powder coat off of that because I wasn't really happy with that, and get a new coat of color on there. But I didn't take a lot of video of myself actually powder coating the frame. I did take a few stills. This is the first coat of the, it's Illusion, I think it's Super Illusion Green from Cosmetic Powders. It goes on light, and then once you get the clear coat on it, that's what activates it and gets it that dark, cool color. The clear coat I had also had a little bit of flake in it. It's not real big flake because you can't get too big a flake through that gun. But it came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the results. This is the color I've been wanting, and I think it looks real good. I'm real happy with it.
I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. Got the forks on right now. The springs up front don't look too bad, even though they're not perfectly chrome like I liked them. They still got that brown tint to them. But it's coming out pretty good. I really like it. Color came out real good. The frame has a lot of pitting in it, but the engine's going to be sitting on top of that, so I don't care. There's a little bit on the top bar up here, but that doesn't bug me. It came out pretty good. It's a great color. I really like it. Tried to strip the wheels. I think I'm going to have to go ahead and sandblast them. I don't know if you guys remember from my previous videos, they had cracks in them, so you can see the cracks there. There's still a little bit of powder coat left in there that I need to get out. But like I said, I'm gonna powder coat. I mean, not powder coat them. I'm gonna sandblast them, and I might powder coat them with the cream. I don't know. I'm still gonna have to see how they look when they're sandblasted. This came out pretty good. It's got some dust on it from the powder coat, but I'm happy with that too. That's gonna look good up against that frame. Gonna match the engine. It's got that nice cream color, so that's gonna look great. Here's some of the other wheels and how they look. It's got a little bit of a bright finish because I wire brushed it, or by hand, trying to get the powder coat off. But once I sandblast them, they'll get that fresh sandblasted look. Then I did the rear sprocket. Came out pretty good too, so we'll get that on there. It's pretty pitted too, because it's the original one, but good enough for what I'm using it for.
So there's a 3x3 inch plate on the clutch side of the engine that I wanted to do something with. At first I was going to make one of the, like an acid etched badge to stick on there, but I decided to get into Illustrator and recreate the Nova Products of California logo and make a stencil. So once I got the stencil made, I put it on the plate, spray painted it with just rattle can paint, peeled the stencil off, and kind of cleaned it up a little bit. And I think it came out pretty good. Looks awesome. So here's the bike as it sits now. The last thing I need to do is the seat. That's a whole nother project. I'm gonna have to have my wife help me a little bit, teach me how to use the sewing machine so I can attempt to make my own seat. I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube that kind of show you how, so I'm gonna use those and do the best I can to try to get this thing a good looking seat.